Sell your home fast. Are you a California homeowner looking to sell your property quickly and without the hassle of traditional real estate processes? Nanda Realty is here to make selling your home as straightforward and stress-free as possible. With our all-cash buying service, you can bypass the lengthy procedures and uncertainties commonly associated with selling a home. Our team is dedicated to providing a seamless experience, ensuring you receive a fair offer without any hidden fees or commissions. At Nanda Realty, we understand that every homeowner's situation is unique, which is why we offer flexible solutions tailored to your needs. You won't have to worry about making repairs or even cleaning up before selling, as we buy homes in their current condition. Our process eliminates the need for agent fees, saving you money and keeping more cash in your pocket. This approach not only simplifies the selling process but also accelerates it, allowing you to move forward with your plans without delay. One of the standout features of our service is our ability to close deals in as little as 10 days. This rapid turnaround time provides you with the certainty and convenience that traditional real estate transactions often lack. Whether you're dealing with financial constraints, relocating, or simply looking to offload a property quickly, our expedited closing process ensures you can achieve your goals without unnecessary stress or waiting periods. If you're ready to experience a hassle-free home selling process, contact Nanda Realty today. Reach out to us at 61980 Nanda or visit nandarealty.com to learn more about how we can assist you in selling your home swiftly and efficiently. Let us help you make the transition smooth and straightforward, so you can focus on what matters most to you.